All right, today I am doing a change up. I'm no longer eating ramen noodles today. I am going to be eating a premium meat, oven roasted turkey breast. It says white turkey meat, lean, absolute goodness. Lean because I'm trying to eat healthy. Absolute goodness. So I have this, and then I have some sourdough bread. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to go ahead right here. I'm going to make two different ones. One for now, one for a later, maybe a dinner. Absolute goodness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sourdough on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do both sandwiches right here. And I'm going to get a little bit of fancy with this. I'm going to see if I can open this right here. This right here is 100% all-American balsamic vinegar. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to put a little bit of the 100% balsamic vinegar on my piece of bread. Just one piece of bread. Just put a little bit on. This is for flavoration purposes. Absolute goodness. All right. So I have that on there. I'm just going to go put some on one slice. And then I'm going to put some mayonnaise, 100% all-American mayonnaise, organic mayonnaise, for those of you who are worried if I'm eating organic or not. So put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bread. Absolute goodness. And then I'm going to take my knife. This fork doesn't look like it's clean. I'm not going to use a fork anyway. And I'm going to spread the love on the bread. All right, the mayonnaise. You see that? You see the balsamic vinegar in there? It's going to add some nice flavoration whenever I bite down onto that sandwich. So try adding a little bit of balsamic. You know, I might add a little bit more or a little bit to this one as well. All right, add a little bit of balsamic. Remember, you've learned this method from me. I don't think they've done this anywhere in the world, adding balsamic vinegar to a turkey breast sandwich. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and put the mayonnaise on here. You can also add mustard if you are a mustard person. And you know what? I'm going to make it even fancier. I am going to put a little bit of health consciousness on the sandwich. All right. So I'm going to add spinach to the sandwich. I'm going to put some of this, open the fresh turkey breasts. I'm going to open this up right here. Got the fresh turkey breasts. Gonna take this, and then I like to butterfly my turkey breasts meat. All right, gonna go ahead and put that on there like this. Like that. Absolute goodness. It's called butterflying the turkey breasts. Put it in there just like that. Absolute goodness. And then I'm gonna put some on the other side. Just like that. Fresh turkey breasts meat. All right, absolute goodness. I'm going to rinse my hands because I don't want to contaminate anything. So I have that on there. Next, I'm going to take some All-American. Give me 1 second. Open this up right here. All-American fresh spinach. Right here. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to take some fresh spinach. Put that on there like that. Turn off the water. Absolute goodness. So I have the greens on the sandwich to make it a little bit more health conscious, but then it almost seems like it's too healthy. So what I'm going to do to balance things out so it's not too healthy, I'm going to take potato chips right here. I have salt and vinegar, fresh ground pepper, kettle, crinkled, brand name, crinkle cut potato chips. And I'm going to place some of them on top of the sandwich. All right, just like this. Just put some chips on there. This is to balance it off so it's not too healthy. Let me zoom in over here. Absolute goodness. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here. The chips might fall off, but just put it back on. if you first don't succeed. Absolute goodness. So I have this. Put that on top. And then I'm going to take the bread and then put it on like this. Look at that. I'm going to take a bite of this to see what this is all about. Look at that. Look at that sandwich. Look at the turkey breast. It says sandwich right here. All right, let me take a bite of this. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.